guys, welcome to my channel. This is Carla from DIY Happy Home, and I'm here today to make a Mediterranean bowl slash salad. I'm very excited about this one because I love Mediterranean food. This has like a Greek spin a little bit, but some things are not Greek. I like to add some different things. So I'm going to start first with some baby spinach, and that's going to be the base. I like spinach, but you could also use romaine, whatever greens you like. And that's going to be the base of this. And put as much or as little as you like. And then I've got my veggies. I'm going to layer them, but excuse my fingers, but I have some tomatoes. These are grape tomatoes. They're my favorite. They're nice and sweet, and I halved them. So I'm going to add some of those in. And this could be a perfect salad for two. You could always make it larger or on a platter form if you have more people you're serving. And I want the colors. So I have some purple onion here, sliced rather thin. I'm trying to shuffle it here. I'm going to add that across the way because I like the pretty color of it. And I have some cucumber. This is the long skinny cucumber, seedless. I think it's not. Is it called seedless? I forget what it's called, guys. But the kind they usually wrap in plastic is what it is. I'm going to do some on that side and some straight across. This gives a nice fresh crunch to the salad. My son loves cucumber. I am going to add, use my fork, a couple of these roasted red pepper slices here. And these I'm going to cut up on my cutting board because these are the full big whamma jamma here. Let me cut that up. I like the color. And we're going to put a couple slices here and some across for color. And next I have some jardiniere. I'm going to add a little bit of that just for the pickled flavor. This has a little bit of cauliflower pickled and carrots. And it has some celery and it looks like some peppers in here. I thought that would give it a little nice pickled vinegar flavor. Some olives. Black olives. These are the whole Kalamata olives. And these are really good. Use my fork to grab a couple out. We're going to put them over here. Gives a nice pop of color. Even though it's dark, it has a nice contrast to the bright colors of the salad. Look how pretty this looks, guys. Okay. Olives are done. And next, I've got some feta cheese. I like huge hunks of the feta. This came from the Athenos feta cheese traditional block. And I'm going to wedge 3 here, like that. Then I've got my hummus. I have 2 different kinds that I'm going to use my little scooper to scoop. I love this brand. This is the traditional. And I'm going to scoop it out with this little ice cream scoop. And I'm going to put one here. Okay, the next one is roasted red pepper hummus. The color on this is gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. And I'm going to put a scoop there. Last but not least, I've got falafel. Falafel cooked up. These are from the frozen section, and I put a little parsley on there. And I'm going to cluster these right over here. Crispy falafel for color. And add a couple lemon wedges. These are always good to put on the salad. I've got 4 here, but I think I'll just go with 3. So here's my parsley. We're going to sprinkle that on. It always makes it look pretty. Look at that. Wow. Oh, and I almost forgot. I have a little bit of a grain here. Oops, how could I forget that? I have this. Seeds of Change. It's a certified organic quinoa brown rice with garlic. I'm going to add that. But you could use any grain that you like. Got a scoop here. And I'm going to add that. I like the scoop look if you want to pack that in there. And this was microwavable, but you could even serve at room temp if you prefer. And I'm going to add that. Ooh, look at the steam coming off of there. And I'm going to top that with a little more parsley to make it pretty. For my dressing. Now this is my take. I don't know, you guys can do whatever dressing you like or just get a red wine vinaigrette from the store, or a Greek vinaigrette, or that garlic sensations my friend introduced me to is totally delicious. But I've got some Greek seasoning here. I have a little bit of the garlic paste that comes in a tube. I have a little bit of the same feta that I kind of forked apart with a fork. I have a little bit of Grey Poupon mustard, some fresh parsley, and I'm going to drizzle in some olive oil here. Excuse my reach, but I'm going to drizzle some olive oil, and I'm going to get some of I have red wine vinegar here. Okay, I'm going to add my red wine vinegar, and then I'm going to whisk that up and see if it's the consistency that I like. Try to break apart that feta a little more until it emulsifies. And then you can spoon this on individual portions if you like, which is what I might do in this case, because I don't want my stuff to get soggy. You could even add really small chopped up Kalamata olives if you'd like. That would be really good. Okay, I'm going to taste this. See, look at that. It turned out really creamy. See that? Looks good. Let's see how it tastes. It might need salt and pepper. Actually, you know what? I am going to put a little salt and pepper since I have it here. Pepper, a little bit of pepper on my salad. If you don't like pepper, leave it out. I know my kids have an adverse reaction to pepper. I'm going to put a little salt in there. Maybe a sprinkling of salt on my salad. I'm going to give that a try if I have a spoon here. Yes, I do. Boy, I really trashed this table good. Good in a short amount of time. I cracked myself up. Let me take a taste. Oh, it's got great tang. Delish. I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil to it. Cut down on a little of that acidity. Okay, guys. And this I would serve on top. And that's it. Let me know in the comments what kind of salads you like to make. And I hope you give this one a try. You can have a little bit of everything on your plate. And I think you would enjoy it. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next time. See you later, guys.